Send in fire, please. We got an adult male alert and conscious, and he has a butcher knife sticking out. Received. The radio's on the phone.
At Banner Way Northeast.
Fire's on the way in.
This call with the injury accident. There's a female inside with a gun to her head. Seated in a blue SUV Toyota RAV4.
Yeah, I'll be en route. Let's start up.
Copy. Is there any additional units that can respond? I got 2 Sam 61.
33 will be en route very shortly. Robert 2, hold the air.
Robert 11, holding the air.
Hey, firm, open air.
Receive. And 2 Robert, did you copy?
Okay. Battalion 5, your units are standing by at least 2 blocks away while we gather more information. SPD says this may be a scene of violence. Down to a single engine. Okay, ML King Command. We'll bring it down to a single engine.
Zero 01, did you need me to call the complainant back? They were in contact. For the Willie cars, the RP's coming outside wearing a black shirt, red pants. Advised the gun is on the floor next to the victim. Willie 2, all I could copy was poor reception in the building. Say again. Willie 2, I couldn't copy your last.
Start fire.
Copy, starting fire.
William 11.
William 11.
We got the male still some agonal breathing, and he's got a pulse.
Received.
And a GSW to the head.
Copy.
Battalion 7 and Engine 32 will go in and
And for this assault, the suspect is currently banging on the doors. The caller is requesting fire. They're asking for the scene secured.
So when I have eyes on him, he's right in the intersection of 3rd and Yesway.
Copy. He's at the intersection of 3rd and Yesler.
King 21, we have an uncooperative suspect here.
Copy. Uncooperative suspect. Did you want the air?
Hey, firm, do we have another unit nearby? King 01, can you start fire for a suspect who's been pepper sprayed?
Hey, firm.